yesterday kasi parang kami ko ang computer tutor.
Ah, okay. Alright, I'll see you next week then. Alright, what I'd like to do is show you how to set this into y equals, or into slope-intercept form, and then graph the equation. So, first thing we need to understand what is slope-intercept form. Well, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m is our slope and b is our y-intercept. So what I'm going to do is, you notice this is solve for y. So that's what I need to do. So I have 7x plus 6y minus 42 equals 0. So what I'm going to do is, I need to get everything away except for the y. So I'm going to add the 42 first to both sides. That cancels out. So I'm left with 7x plus 6y equals 42. Now I subtract the 7x on both sides. Now we like to write, notice how it's, the x is before our constant for my b, so I'll have 6y equals a negative 7x plus 42. Then I divide by 6, and I'm going to divide the 6 into the negative 7x and the 6 into the 42. So therefore, see you later, I'll have y equals a negative 7/6 x plus, oh sure, plus 42 divided by 6, which is 7. So now they're asking us to graph this equation. So I'll drive an x and a y axis. Alright, and when graphing with slope-intercept form, if you can remember what the y-intercept is, the y-intercept is where the graph crosses my y-axis. So it says I'm going to cross at 7. So I go up 7 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I make a nice little dot there because I know that's exactly where my graph crosses. Then it says my slope is a negative 7/6. Now that can mean a couple things. Remember when slope, you're changing your y. So, or it's your rise over your run. So you could either go down 7 to the right 6, or you could go up 7 to the left 6. Either way, one of your units is going to be negative, which makes your fraction negative. So let's just do it this way. Let's start by going down 7. So I could go down 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then to the right 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll make a dot there, and I'll connect the 2 points. Alright, you also could have gone up 6 or 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then gone left 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what you have noticed is if I would have been up and over, or right out there, you notice this graph would have done the exact same thing. You notice this line goes through those 2 points. So whenever you have a negative, just remember when you're either going down, which is negative, and to the right is positive. Or you could go up, which is positive, and then left is going to be negative. So whenever you have a negative slope, just either put the negative as a 7, that's going to tell you to go down 7 to the right 6, or make it a negative 6, which tells you to go up 7 to the left 6. So that's how you solve in slope-intercept form, and then graph.